color correction for brows, it is already a very complex process. You have to know so many things. In this reel, I'm going to cover kind of like, for me, it looks like basics. I'm going to cover the colors that you can use in order to correct unnecessary color that it is on the brow. So if the brow is warm, meaning like it's pink or salmon, you want to use colors that are more olive based. So the olive based pigments are going to cover the pinks, right? So the green covers reds and pinks. So if the brows are very cool into the purple undertones, then you want to use yellow, right? So you want to use a yellow modifier. And for me, in permablend colors, I use Gourd, so Gourd. This is the color that I use to cover up any purple type of undertones. If the brows are green, so that can happen as well. They're kind of like cool toned, very green. So what you do in this case, use a red color in order to cover green. So if the brows are blue, you want to take an orange. For me in permablend, I like the bronzer color. Bronzer color, great orange that is a pretty bright, strong orange that will cover blue. If the brows are gray, so if the brows are kind of gray bluish, then I could mix bronzer and Gourd in order to create that medium kind of orange yellow color that will neutralize gray. If the gray is light, then I use Gourd only, the yellow only. If you have any questions about this topic, let's please get this started. Correction is a very complex topic. I want us to talk about this.